Hey, this is Rob. I'm going to quickly show you how to find a CID for your Google GMB so that you can use it. I've scoured the internet. I've seen all kinds of different ways to do it, and for some reason, the Chrome extension wasn't available or it just didn't do it. It was difficult. I figured out how to do it. It's really super easy. I'm getting ready to show you, so hang on. So first thing you want to do is go to your mobile device and open up a Google search. In the Google search, type in the name of the GMB and in the city if necessary. Once you get there at the very top, you'll notice the share. Click on that. And then it'll pop up here and click on share again. You can have many options here. Click on more so that you can choose Google. And when you click on it, it's going to ask you chat or Gmail. Click Gmail. Now put in the email address that you want to send it to, which is going to be your own. Once you get the email, it's going to come with this URL. Click on it. It's going to open up in a new browser. Now that we've clicked on the link from our email, it pulls this up. And in the URL at the top, if you click on that and then scroll over, you'll see it says LUDO CID, ludo CID, and the number is right here, all the way up to the ampersand, but not including the ampersand. That's the number. That's the CID number. And that's how you get it.